Hey everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. It looks a bit messy on my desk, I know, sorry. I'm going to be making another one of my favourite ephemera pieces for the Zinnias Journal I'm making for Valia's craft studio. And I'll show you a little bit of it in a minute after I've done this if I've got time. So I'm making an element to put in the back page of the cover, which I still haven't decorated. I'm going to do the decoration with you. So I've got two envelopes here. I was really lucky enough to get a whole heap of these envelopes from Salvage and Save, which is like a recycling garbage place in Adelaide. So I've got the whole box full of them, and I do like to use them. So I'm going to put, as you can see, I've tried to put them together before. This is the second go of my video because I messed it up a little bit. So I'm going to put, I want to put things behind there so you can see through the window, and I'm going to put this bit of the envelope around here, and then this bit here is going to be like the lever, the hinge, so it's going to go like that. So hopefully this time I've got it right. I don't know what it is, I've been making a few mistakes with these videos. I think I'm a bit nervous about making sure I'm doing the right thing. Alright, there we go. So it's just, but I'm not going to stick that down just yet because I want to cover it over, and I'm just going to use the bits of paper that I've got left over from the collection, and it's just basically really easy, just using scrap bits and anything else you might have that would go. So I've got all of these things left over, so I'm going to use all of those, but I'm sure you don't really want to watch me do that. So I'm just going to do a little bit, and then I'm going to turn you off because I still don't know how to fast forward you in the editing tool that I use. So I will just do a little bit of sticking. Pop that way over here so it's not wrecked. Got these bits everywhere. Alright. Hope you're all doing well. Getting some crafting done. My husband and I have had a couple of very busy days. It's Wednesday today. We had a bit of a family gathering on Monday. Tuesday we had to do some things that need to be done, like posting a journal that I made to somebody who bought one, and getting some, wanted some the wedges that go under the doors for my room, because I was been using a bit of paper for ages, and so we got that, and my husband got some door stops for the other doors. So then we went to another shopping centre for me to pick up my watch, but they were closed for stock cake taking, so it was a bit of a waste of time going there. So and that was Monday, and did a bit of that kind of running around stuff. And then yesterday, Tuesday, we went to the Adelaide Central Market, which we like to go to every now and again, to buy some things we can't normally get in our own supermarkets. So that's always very nice. Had breakfast, which is also very nice. Something we don't do really. We just have breakfast at home, but when we go there we have breakfast. Did a bit of shopping, came home. So Tony, my husband, is cleaning the car, and I'm doing this. I'm so lucky to be able to have time to do crafting. This is going to be the main one, isn't it? So this needs to be covered over quite well. This way around? Yes, that way around. Might put it in the middle of this one. Just cut that up there. So put it there. idea not to cover the window. Oops, just dropped the paper. So we're going to try again tomorrow to get my watch. Hopefully they're open today. Did I tell you they were closed because of stock taking? Didn't do that very well, did I? Not enough. So we didn't get to get my watch because my husband took it to see if they could fix the little winder thingamajiggy. And he just forgot all about it. And so did I, because it's not one I wear very often, because I haven't worn it for such a long time because it's not working properly. I forgot all about it. So it's been there for a while, so hopefully they've still got it. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to keep going with this, and I'll be back directly after I've done some covering of the things. See you soon. Okay, I'm back. So I've decorated all the sides of the 2 envelopes, and I'm going to now put this bit down here on the edge here, so I can still. Do I want to do it that way? No, I don't want to do it that way. I want to do it this way, so it opens up. I probably should have done it. Oh, no, is that the right way around? Yeah, sorry, that way around. Be down anyway, really. It can be this side, it can be that side. It's entirely up to you, really. It's just a matter of just working out which way you want your orientation of the flip out to be. So it's going to be stuck down with glue, and then you still got the bit at the back free for anything else that you want to put in your journal. I'm just going to have a look to see, make sure it's nice and straight. These envelopes just fit in this journal. And then just cover up this mess here. I'm just going to put another strip of paper. I've got plenty here sitting around, sort of. Just shove them off to one side, really, or I could just use washi tape, perhaps, because that's not quite long enough, is it, really? Let's have a look. We'll do that in a minute, anyway. Off camera. I'm sure you don't really want to need to see me do that. So on the insides of my envelope flip out, I need to put some washi tape here because it's a bit messy here. On this one here, I'm just going to put this young girl, and when I was trying to work out how to do reverse printing, I did that one upside down, so I'm going to put something on the back of that, so cover that up. So this girl is going to go in here like this. No, she's not. She's going to go in there. That's right, because I had to work out which way around it was going to go. Oh, it's going to go. Don't bother me now. This one's going to go here. So there's a trick to work out which way around your openings are. There you go. There's the girl peeking through here. And this one, because this is the one I was trying to do the reverse printing. I did the 2 images on one page. So I quite like the look of that. So I'm just going to put that in there. And even though you can't see the woman, you can see the zinnia through it. So I'm just going to put the edges, I'm going to put some edging around here, something else. So there's my flip out for that. And for my journal so far, I've got lots of things that came in the kit. This is the little folder I made in the previous video. And I've made a pocket to go in there, which needs something that needs to go in there. I've made some long clusters to put on the edge here, just using strips from the kit, basically. And all the pockets and stuff are from the kit. There's the vintage ephemera that I had, and I just used the top bit of that. I've used a punch along the edge, Just wanted to show you a couple of things. A little tuck spot. Made a double pocket here. All of these things have got to be backed. I've just popped them in there for the moment. And I've got some things in the envelope there. So just a quick look, and I'll show you the rest after. I decided to use this envelope as an over the page thing, which is another decoration I quite like to use. And normally I use a longer envelope and create a pocket with the envelope, but I had a bit of pocket left over, so I made a pocket there. And I'm in and ahhing. I think I might just leave the envelope the colour it is, because it matches the kit quite well. Whether I'll put this, I'm debating about whether I will put, so I'll take those two bits out, put that there just to decorate it a bit, or leave it blank for the person to use whatever they want. I might do that. So I've done some sewing. I'm still not, perfect with my sewing, but handmade's handmade. Anyway, so that's where I'm up to the moment, and next video hopefully I'll show you how to do the no-sew, putting the signature in bit. Thank you so much for being here. Hope that was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.